You ready to open your toys? What do you have there? You have My Little Pony Play-Doh. You have toys and 3 Play-Doh surprises. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 little Play-Dohs inside. And 1, 2, My Little Pony. Hey, almost there. Here we go. Wow, this is 1 pink My Little Pony. Kiss, kiss. Oh, you're so sweet, Mason. Okay, and then you have another one. This is purple My Little Pony, and the bottom has a stamp. Wow. A light blue little Play-Doh case with Play-Doh inside. This is blue. Look at this. The Play-Doh inside. Wow, Mason, look. Purple Play-Doh. Okay, and then the last one is hot pink. Cool. There it is, hot pink. Hot pink Play-Doh. Let's get this one out. It's a little soft and gooey, huh, Mason? Wow, wow. Look at that. Cool. And let's open our first Play-Doh surprise. This one is in the pink cup. Go open. Whoa, what do we have in here? It's a My Little Pony Super Squishy surprise. You're trying to open it? You want Mommy to open it? There you go. Oh my goodness! Look at this beautiful thing. It's a unicorn, My Little Pony, and it's purple. That is pretty. It even has wings. This is cool, and it's squishy. Look at that. Cool. Okay, here's our second Play-Doh surprise. It's in purple case. Purple Play-Doh inside. Get it all out there. And what do we have here, Mason? Come help me open. Mason, come help me open. Wow. Another My Little Pony Super Squishy surprise. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness, we have a white one. That is cute, and it's squishy too. And here is our third Play-Doh surprise. It's in light blue, and when you open it, when you get it out, a third super squishy My Little Pony surprise. Let's see what we have here. Oh my goodness, we have a second purple unicorn with wings.